Hello, welcome. Today we are going to learn about a circle. A circle is a perfectly round shape that has a center, and a distance from a center to any point of the circle is called radius. As we can see, this circle, it is perfectly round, and a distance from a center O to any surface I call point A, it is called a radius. Also, a circle has a diameter. A diameter is a distance from one surface, I call it A, to another surface, I call it B. Distance AB must pass through the center of a circle. Let's go and see the relationship between the diameter and radius of a circle. The relationship between a radius and diameter of a circle is given by diameter of a circle is equal to 2 times radius. From our circle's distance AB is equal to a diameter, and distance AO is equal to radius. Distance AO is equal to radius. Distance OB also is equal to radius. This is a radius. And for the other circle, distance OA, this is equal to radius. Now, from the first circle, if we take R plus R, we get D. That is a radius plus a radius, we got diameter. 2R, this is equal to diameter. Now, diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. This is the relationship between radius and the diameter. Now let's see the examples here. Find the diameter of a given radius. They have given to us radius. We are going to find diameter. A, they have given to us radius is equal to 14. Radius is equal to 14, but we know diameter is equal to 2 times radius. So our diameter is going to be 2 multiplied by 14, which gives us 28. Here, diameter is equal to 28. Let's see B. They gave us radius is equal to 8. The radius is equal to 8, but we know diameter is equal to 2 times radius. Our diameter will be equal to 2 multiplied by 8. That we get 16. Diameter is equal to 16 units. Now, let's see the second question. Find the radius of a given diameter. They have given to us diameter. We are going to look for radius. C, they gave us diameter is equal to, we need to find the radius. Diameter is equal to 42. We need radius, but diameter is given by 2R, but diameter is equal to 42. 42 is equal to 2 times radius. I'm going to divide by 2 both sides. Divide by 2, divide by 2, by 2, 1, by 2, 1, by 2 get 1, by 2 we get 21. So radius is equal to 21 units. For C, radius is equal to 21 units. I hope you understand this lesson. We learn about a circle. We say a circle is a perfectly round shape that has a radius R. A radius is a distance from a center of a circle to any point, and a diameter is a distance from a point to a surface through the center to another point around the surface. At last, we saw the relationship between radius and diameter. We said diameter is equal to 2 times radius. For more video on circles, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.